Today we're going to learn about the keys to legibility. So we're going to start with shape. They want you to look at the shape of each letter. So we're going to start by going over the 4 basic strokes that we learned about earlier. We have the undercurve that starts at the baseline and goes to the midline. The down curve, remember it's like you're diving. You start at the midline and go to the baseline. The overcurve is the opposite. You start at the baseline and go to the midline. And then the slant slants back from the midline to the baseline. They want you to circle each letter that has an undercurve at the beginning. So which letters have an undercurve to start? Then they want you to circle each letter that has an overcurve beginning. So like you shooting the basketball. Circle each letter that has a down curve beginning, like they're diving. So be careful when you're looking at those. And then you're going to circle each letter that has a slant stroke, like he's sliding down the hill. On the next page, we're going to work on size. So we have our tall letters, ones that touch the headline, our short letters that only go to the midline, and then our letters with descenders that go past the baseline. They want you to look in this row of letters and circle all of the tall letters, the ones that touch the headline. In the next line, they want you to circle all the short letters, ones that just go to the midline. And then in the bottom row, they want you to circle all the letters that have descenders, letters that have something that goes past the baseline. The next key we're going to learn about is spacing. So they want you to look at the spacing between the letters because there should be a space for an oval in between those letters. And you'll see on that top line they've drawn those in. They want you to circle the word that has good letter spacing. So which one could you fit those nice ovals into? And then there should be space for a forward slant between the words. They want you to circle the phrase that has good word spacing. So just that little tiny slant between them. On the next page, you're going to look at slant. They want you to look at the slant of your letters. Our manuscript letters stand up straight and tall, but our cursive letters have a forward slant. So you should be able to draw that forward slant line through all of your letters and know that they have good forward slant. So they want you to check your writing position. So you're going to check your paper position. So if you're left-handed, your paper gets tilted. If you're right-handed, it gets tilted toward the middle of your body. They want you to circle the word at the bottom that has good slant.